So this is the Sun King HomePlus Max, a powerful solar home system designed for families, businesses and tech service that wants reliable energy 24/7. If you are off-grid or just tired about power failures, then this video is definitely worth watching to the end because I'll be breaking down every single thing you need to know about this big guy. First of all, you might be wondering, what is Sun King HomePlus Max? The Sun King HomePlus Max is an all-in-one solar solution that combines bright home lighting, smartphone and laptop charging, TV entertainment, and most importantly, long-lasting lithium battery storage. This big guy is built to deliver clean and dependable energy for everyday living without grid required or electricity. Let's talk about the lightning capacity, which is very important. This system delivers a total output of about 2,500 lumens, which is quite powerful for a solar home system of its kind. This simply means brighter room, brighter visibility at night, and automatic lighting when motion is detected. Perfect for security and convenience. Compared to other models, this actually offers significantly brighter and more expansive lightnings. So now let's talk about the battery and power storage. At the heart of the HomePlus Max is a 192 watt-hour lithium-ion LFP battery. That's crazy. So here are 3 reasons why that actually matters. 1. It's designed to last over 10 years. Yes, you heard me right. 2. This guy is rated for 2,500 charge cycles. That's quite crazy. And finally, it's safer and more durable than older battery types. So this isn't a short-term solution. It's actually built for a long-term daily use. This system comes with an 80 watt monocrystalline solar panel packed separately and includes an 8-meter cable. This allows flexible installation and efficient solar charging even if your panel needs to be placed far from your control unit, which is this guy. So now let's talk about charging and ports because this system goes beyond lightnings alone. On this system, you get 2 USB-A ports, 5V 2.1 amp max per port, ideal for smartphone charging. You also have 1 USB-C port, which is up to 65 watt output. This can charge your phones, tablets, and your laptops. It supports dual functionality, charging and also discharging, which means you can use this port to either charge the system if you need to charge by grid, or you can use it to charge your laptop where required. So now let's talk about the DC ports and appliances. The HomePlus Max also includes 4 12V DC ports, up to 120 watts in total, 5 amps max per port. These ports are compatible with Sun King DC appliances like your pedestrian fans, your lightnings and your TVs. So with this guy, you are not limited to lightnings alone. You can actually power multiple essential devices. I know some of us might be wondering, does this guy actually support TVs? Yes. This guy supports Sun King DC TVs of 24 inches, 32 inches up to 43 inches Sun King DC TVs. And these TVs are perfect for entertainment, news, sports and business uses. So if you want to know what is contained if you're buying this guy, I have made a video here. You can click on this video to watch the full unboxing of this particular product. So here is my final thought, guys. If you're actually looking for a solar home system that combines lightning, charging, durability and comfort, then the Sun King HomePlus Max is the best bet for you. So if you like this video so far, guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you want to know more about this product, you can click on this video where I explain more about this product.